guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make leaf luminaries. Today you're going to need leaves, half-a-gallon jug, clear contact paper, flameless candle, and rocks. So let's get started. Get your half-a-gallon jug and you're going to cut off the top as shown above, just below the handle. Take your contact paper and you're going to cut it to the area of one face of your half-a-gallon jug. The contact paper is where you're going to put your leaves on and how you're going to stick it onto your jug. Once you're done with the side, you're going to continue on with the same steps as before for the next 3 sides. Finally, you're going to add some rocks on the bottom to weigh it down and add your flameless candle, and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy your fall season.